Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. How y'all doing? Today I'm going to show you the OBS MOVE plugin. Here's what it should look like once we're done. So when we click on our different scenes, you will see that the camera and stuff is moving like so. It's very simple to set up. So what we're wanting to do is go to this website, pop it up there so you can see it. And to go to this website right here and look for the download button, which is right here. And we're going to click on download. And then because we're on Windows, we're going to do the Move Transition 3.0 Windows installation and press download. Now that's going to go into your downloads folder like so. Just going to click on that. And I'm just going to cut it out of my downloads folder and pop it onto my desktop like so. Obviously, it likes to go on one of the over 3,000 screens that I've got. And here it is. So I've just dragged and dropped it from my downloads folder onto my desktop. So we're going to take that file out of there. That worked. And then we're just going to double click this like so. More info and run anyway. I'm going to come up with this box right here. Just press yes. If you saw that, I don't know if you did. And now you just want to press install. I obviously already got it installed and OBS is running, but you just press next. Just obviously shut down your OBS, and then you should have a thing called scene transitions like this just here. If you've not got it, just go over to docs and click on scene transition. So it might look like something a little bit like this, obviously with your preview, but I've disabled my preview so you're not getting like that screen kind of effect. So you just come to docs and go to scene transitions, and then this window will pop up, and it normally is set to something like cut. So you just want to change that and put it to move. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click into the three dots at this side and go to properties. And this is just the basics, like what I'd normally put when I'm first setting it up. We may go into a little bit more detail later on in the line if this kind of video is what you're wanting. Do let me know in the comments. So we're going to scroll down a little bit. We're going to do ease in and out, cubic, and then set this one to fade. Now on the appearing items, we're going to do the exact same. So ease in and out, cubic, but on the position we're going to set it to none. And this just stops it from like dragging your camera halfway across the screen for no reason. And we're also going to do fade for that one also. And same with the disappearing items. That's what the position does. You can have it so basically, let's say it's your camera that's disappearing or reappearing. It can drag it to the left or to the right. I don't really like that, to be honest. I just want it to fade in and out cleanly. So we just set this position to none and then to fade like so. And then press OK. And then you will get to this right here, what we've got. I will enable preview, but I'm going to change the monitor just so we don't get that horrible window effect. So we'll have something like that. So let me just change one of these settings to the position. So appearing items, say we want the position bottom right. So if we go like this, you see how it drags it from the bottom right? Yeah, I just don't think that looks as clean. Same if we did it for the disappearing items. So on this position, say if we wanted that to go to top. So in fact, that don't look too bad actually. The one going up from the top. Maybe you could set that, but that one getting dragged from the bottom, no, definitely don't like that. So let's go to position, appearing items. Let's put that onto top and see what that looks like. I don't want too bad. I might keep that actually. And then when we move over onto his cam, it looks like that. I don't know. I'm not sure about that. Yeah, we're just gonna take it off to say to none. I think none looks best on that one, and also on. And then it just fades in and out like so. Now guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Let me know down in the comments if you would like to see more OBS tutorials. I've got plenty in the bag if you do want to see them. Don't forget to join the Discord. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.